Hi guys, want to know how to use your iPhone with a mask? Then follow the following steps. 1. Open up settings. 2. Scroll down until you see Face ID. 3. Enter your passcode. 4. Select set up an alternative appearance. 5. Fold your mask in half, place it over your ear and keep it in place. Slowly rotate your head in the direction of where your mask is. Then do the same on the other side. If done correctly, then you should be able to use Face ID with your mask on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video.